Have you ever wondered if you can really make $100 a day using ClickFunnels? Well, I decided to find out by running a real experiment. The goal? Start with zero audience, no email list, and no product of my own, and see if I could generate $100 per day in affiliate commissions using only ClickFunnels. I started by signing up for the ClickFunnels affiliate program, free to join. Then I chose one funnel to promote, the 30-day challenge, which pays a solid commission and is super beginner-friendly. Next, I built a simple bridge funnel using ClickFunnels itself. The funnel had 2 pages, a lead capture page and a thank you page with my affiliate link. I connected it to a free email marketing tool and set up a 3-day follow-up sequence with value-driven emails and affiliate links. Then came the traffic. I posted short-form videos on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. I also shared tips in Facebook groups and Quora answers, all linking back to my funnel. And here's what happened. In the first 7 days, I made 3 sales. Not bad. That's around 120 in total commissions. Some days I made 0. Other days I made $40 or more. But the real magic? The automation. Once the funnel was set up, I didn't have to touch it. My biggest takeaway? Yes, you can make $100 per day with ClickFunnels. But it takes consistency, a good offer, and smart funnel strategy. If you want to try this for yourself, I've added a free trial link to ClickFunnels below. Don't overthink it. Just start building, testing, and tweaking. Because the best way to learn is to launch. Want to try ClickFunnels for yourself? Start your free 14-day trial using the link in the description.